We are born of two universes, each of them imperfect, each afflicted with the cancer of organic life. From their ruins, a new universe shall be forged in the fire of the stones of reality and space. All life remade in our image, in steel, free from the sins of the flesh. We are Ultron Sigma. We are your God.
Strider!
Captain America, our teams are in position. The enemy's forces are massing at the palace gates.
Then let's not keep them waiting. Heroes, move out! I'll lend you my shield anytime.
With us together, this'll be a cinch.
Keep talking! Stay down! Chun-Li?
Captain Marvel? Shall we?
You guys don't know when to quit, do you?
Here they come!
Ready for round 3?
Different streets, same fight.
Doctor Strange!
Heroes of both dimensions, welcome to ours. The Prince of Asgard has come home. Go, show him what we've made of you.
Vengeance for Asgard! Sir Arthur, not bad for one so small.
And you, Thor, are indeed mighty for a heathen god. What's this? Fresh fodder!
No, stay your lance! My people, what has become of them?
Thor.
No need to panic, big guy. They're just taking a nap. They'll be fine. Eventually.
Stark? Spencer?
Nice weapon, Lance, a little. Compensating for something?
Only your foolishness, Iron Man.
Ha-ha! I like him!
7-6. 8-6. 9-6. Come on, Hawkeye. Man, this is getting embarrassing. Let's call it a tie.
Yo, Dante. Out of ammo. Can the ladies come out to play?
For you, Rocket, anything. Be good.
Ebony, Ivory, care to dance?
Damn, these things are like cockroaches.
Have care, Commander Redfield. These were once my people. Even now they fight well.
This was my home too, Thor. Ultron Sigma's going to pay for what he's done.
Courage, my friend. I swear I will release you from Ultron Sigma's grasp, or die trying. Where's Doctor Strange?
Captain?
Doctor, can you get us in?
The convergence has left Asgard's magic weakened. We can breach the prison's walls from here.
Good. Commander Redfield. Chris, you ready? I'll take that as a yes. This prisoner better have the answers we need. He will. He has to. Or this is the end.
Doctor?
Do you feel it? This psychic maelstrom of torment and despair.
Yeah, it sucks.
Every prison's the same.
Yeah, done a lot of hard time, huh?
No. But I've put a lot of punks like you away.
Huh?
Halt! We can't let them sound the alarm. Take them down!
So much for the secret mission.
This is it.
Oh no. Nah, bad idea.
Rocket, what is it?
Seriously? You know who this is, right? Doc, back me up here!
Commander,
We've got a job to do. We're not leaving without him.
We can't hold these guys off forever!
Redfield knows what he's doing.
They're a small team. Agile. They'll get the job done.
Cap, this is Hawkeye. We're out of time. He's coming.
You see Ultron Sigma?
I've got a clear shot.
Take it. All teams, engage! Go, go, go! Taste my steel! No!
You still dare challenge us, Prince of Asgard?
You shall pay for what you've done to my people! Spencer, with me! I shall remove you from that throne, villain!
Fools, our will is law. We will destroy you. Pitiful. Do you see now how powerless you truly are? Not for your people, Thor. They have achieved perfection. And soon, you shall be their prince once more. Commander Redfield, did you have something to add? Some great insight?
You're going down, Ultron Sigma!
That's it? Some banal cliché? It's fitting that those would be your final words.
Doctor, get us out of here!
With pleasure, Captain.
Good.
Our intel was right. Ultron Sigma has 2 of the Infinite Six.
The stones you spoke of.
6 cosmic stones of infinite power.
And probably the cause of all this mess.
If he has 2, where are the other 4?
That's what we're here to find out.
Thor, you sure you're all right? Thank you, my friend. But it will take more than a candy-colored cloud to slay the God of Thunder. Save your concern for the people of Asgard.
The mask appears to be some kind of neuroinhibitor, suppressing the captive's psionic abilities. This is no small task, but I was able to generate a containment field that emulates that effect. We're ready to remove his restraints.
Good. Do it.
Hold that thought. Tell me you're not seriously planning on taking that thing off him.
We need him to talk.
I'll make him talk.
You think the prisoner can lead us to these Infinity Stones?
Stark and Rocket say he's dangerous.
No, I said insanely dangerous.
Please, will somebody just tell me who he is?
Thanos, the Mad Titan. Cosmic warlord / lunatic. And Death's boy toy.
Death.
You know, the Grim Reaper, but she's a lady or a skeleton lady. It's complicated. Anyway, Loverboy here's almost destroyed the universe multiple times trying to impress her.
And you want to give him access to these stones? There must be some other way.
We're out of options and out of time. Take off the mask.
I'm sorry, Cap. I can't let you do it.
I'm ready for any fight.
Hope you paid up on your health insurance.
Enough! I understand why you hesitate. We have all lost something. Friends, family, a home. But with the power of the Infinity Stones, we can defeat Ultron Sigma, undo the horrors he has wrought. Asgard might rise once more. The dead might live again.
Yeah, because that always works out great.
Thanos alone can lead us to the Infinity Stones. He is bound to them. It is the only way.
Yeah, well, I want it on record that this is a bad idea.
If this goes south, if your bloodhound slips his leash, it's on you.
Go ahead, Doctor. Remove the mask.
By the vapors of Voltor, which do all things conceal.
You have doomed yourselves. The imminent danger comes not from me, but from one of your own.
What the hell's happening to him?
He's infected with the Sigma virus.
Careful! There's still a chance he's alive in there. Take him down easy.
Easy? You gotta be kidding me!
Forgive me, my friend, but this must be done.
Tiresome creatures. Why do you resist?
Ultron Sigma!
In the flesh, as it were. Though not our own. We had a dream. Our two diseased realities united to form a single, perfect universe. With all biological life remade in our image. Yet still, here you are.
You'll find we're stubborn like that.
Yes, but you'll change. As your companion Thor has. He is a part of us now. Purified. Immaculate. The Sigma virus will infect you all in time. Accept our gift, or be destroyed.
He's trying to go to Ultron Sigma. Stop him!
Cap, Quinjet 1 is back. What now?
It's Gamora!
We got the tower's SOS and headed home.
Nova, glad you're safe. It's been a long day. What did you find up there on No Moon?
Trouble.
Ultron Sigma has formed an alliance with No Moon's Imperator, Grandmaster Mayo. They are massing an army against us. Their numbers growing each day.
Hey, Gamora. That's my favorite assassin.
Rocket.
There's more. Mayo is testing some kind of biological weapon. A gas.
The Sigma virus.
Gamora, there's something you should know. We have Thanos. Thanos? You brought him here? Why?
If we're gonna stop Ultron Sigma, we need the Infinity Stones.
He will not help you. And if by some chance Thanos does obtain the stones, he will show us no mercy. He raised you as his own. Convince him.
Daughter, have you come to beg for my help?
You would let Ultron Sigma have his way? Soon there will be no one left for you to slay for your mistress' death. You have no choice. Help us.
Release me, and I will give you what you want.
No deal, Thanos.
Yeah, if trust is a two-way street, right now you're lying in a ditch at the side of the road.
Give us cause to trust you. Help us to find the Infinity Stones.
Very well. I will guide you to them. There are 6 stones, each granting its bearer dominion over some facet of existence. Ultron Sigma has 2, of reality and space. Those of time of the soul, of power, and of the mind are still to be found. Assemble your teams. There is much to be done.
Follow them. They will lead us to the stones. Soon, the Infinite Six will be ours.
The Time Stone has concealed itself behind a barrier. Beyond time. In a place Ultron Sigma knows nothing of. And cannot reach.
King T'Challa, the captive.
Your Majesty,
I know who you are, Ryu. What business have you in Valkonda?
I was part of a research mission, studying anomalies caused by the convergence of our two universes. Our craft became caught in some vortex. The pilot lost control. Only one other survived the crash. A scientist.
And where is this scientist?
He's here.
Bam!
Hulk! Remember what I taught you. You must control your rage.
We have more visitors.
It's good to see you, old friend.
You seek the Stone of Time.
Straight to the point.
We do. Then you have had a wasted journey. I will not give up that which protects my kingdom.
Will not? Do you know what's happening out there? We're at war. Asgard has
Without
fallen.
the stone's power, Valkonda will also fall. I'm sorry, my friend. My duty is to this kingdom and my people. The time barrier must hold.
You'd lock your people away behind this barrier forever? This isn't a kingdom. It's a prison.
I don't know who you are, friend, but you will show T'Challa respect. Ultron Sigma's drones! The barrier's breached!
They followed us through! Careful! These guys are a handful! Keep them contained! The virus.
This is our gift to your people, T'Challa. Immortality.
What is...
Something ancient. Yet changed. The Elder Dragon. Daren Moran. It's infected with the Sigma virus. And in a frenzy.
Hulk and I will defend the town.
Enough control.
The infection will spread unchecked across Valkonda. Carried on the wind. If I didn't know the kind of man you are, Captain, I would almost think you led them here.
T'Challa. Time has caught up with Valkonda. The stone cannot shield you any longer. But armed with its power, we have a chance to fight back. To save your people. To save all worlds.
And if we can't save them, then I swear we will...
Avenge them?
No. Find them justice.
You speak wisdom, Chun-Li. If a king cannot see when he must change, then he is not fit to lead his people. Take it and go. Valkonda needs its king.
The Mind Stone is concealed not far from here, in a secret laboratory deep beneath the headquarters of the Umbrella Corporation.
Okay, Tower. I'm in. Stark? The walls must be shielded. This has Umbrella's stench all over it.
And all this time, right under our noses, huh?
Spider-Man. Damn it, I could have killed you.
Many have tried. Ooh, creepy place, huh? Stark called. Figured you could use some help.
I told him I don't need help. I'll get the job done faster alone.
Totally understand. Guess I'll just, Huh? Leave you guys to it then.
We're clear.
No. There's something else. Something ugly. Something malignant. Frank West, ladies and gentlemen!
Okay. You got me.
What the hell are you doing here?
What?
He's been tailing me for the past hour. And for an investigative photojournalist, you were really bad at it. Ow! So...
Alright, listen. A few weeks ago, I started hearing these wild rumors. Disappearances, sightings of monsters. It's really weird stuff. So I started looking into it. Turns out, every one of these incidents happened within a 3-mile radius of this facility. Coincidence? I was staking the place out when you showed up. Look, I'm telling you this story's big. Maybe the biggest of my career.
Get out of here now, and maybe you'll live to tell it. I don't have time to play nursemaid.
Hey, I'm not some cub reporter. I've covered wars, you know.
Fine. Just stay out of my way, and don't touch anything.
Huh? My God. This is great! Frank West, Pulitzer Prize-winning photojournalist. I like the sound of that.
What the... They're turning people into... monsters.
Living weapons. BOWs. And something else. Something alien. But what?
Check it out. This one's still fresh. It's the mayor, Mike Hagar.
Is he alive?
You just kidnapped the wrong mayor, buddy.
Hey, chill! We're not your...
I'm not done with you punks yet.
We're here to rescue you!
Spider-Man? What the hell's going on?
Long story, Mr. Mayor. Do you remember how you got here?
I was in my office at City Hall, doing paperwork.
Without a shirt on?
Next thing I know, I'm here, choking out Frank West.
Not for the first time.
What is this place?
Quiet. I hear voices.
Hey, I know this egghead. It's MODOK, Umbrella's freak show leader.
The parasite is not mutating as anticipated. I require more time.
There is no more time. Perhaps your arrogance outstrips your intellect.
My intellect is unmatched. You shall have your army. Now leave me. I must work.
Do not fail me, MODOK.
Uh-oh! Having trouble with your lab partner?
Intruders! My children, to war!
These are your kids? They're adorable! Aw, they got that same ugly mug of yours.
No.
Friend of yours?
Stars!
Nemesis.
Nemesis has been waiting for you.
You're gonna be seeing more than stars when I'm done with you, ugly.
Nice try, MODORK.
It's MODOK!
Whatever.
We've come for the stone.
Fools! You'll never take them. Ah! The Mind Stone! No! No!
Shut it down. Shut it down now!
I can't! Something's forcing its way through!
It's here! Our masterpiece! You'll regret the day you dared cross MODOK!
Oh boy. We need to go! We need to go now!
The Soul Stone lies in another realm, by far the furthest from your reach.
Tell me, Ryder. Is it business that brings you here? Or pleasure?
Vengeance.
Ah, a bit of both.
1,000,000 innocent souls have been stolen from the Earth. I seek vengeance against the one responsible.
Then look into my eyes. What do you see?
You are guilty of many things, Succubus, but not of this.
I sense such desire in you. A fire.
For justice, for retribution.
Not for me. Or for me? Oh. No. A pity. We have so much in common. Our passion, great bone structure. But if you will not give me what I need, I will take it from you.
I have no wish to destroy you, succubus.
Then dance with me, Ryder. In flame and in fire!
Enough!
By what power do you dare command me, mortal?
I need only reason.
And failing that, Ebony and Ivory here can be very persuasive.
Oh, Dante, we were only playing.
Oh, I've seen how your playtime ends, Morrigan. How's it going, Ghost Rider? Haven't seen you since the Convergence.
I sensed a great evil moving unseen through the mortal realm that day, preying on the souls of the innocent and the forgotten. The echoes of their pain have led me here.
Spooky.
It is more serious than you know. All life stands upon the edge of extinction. We have come in search of a stone of great power.
Ah, you speak of the Stone of Souls. I've seen it in Lord Jeddah's possession.
The Dark Messiah has the Soul Stone. That is a dangerous combination indeed.
I can help you find him. He and I are close. Oh, don't be jealous.
We would be most. Where is Sir Arthur?
Here.
Come with me.
Stay behind us, my Lady Morrigan.
Oh, don't worry about me, Arthur. I can take care of myself. Not all women are princesses in need of rescuing.
Tell that to the princess.
The Dark Entity.
And the Stone of Souls. Jedah!
Morrigan, look on and marvel at my creation.
It is an abomination!
No, it is a weapon. A symbiote fed upon 1,000,000 human souls.
So many innocents sacrificed.
And still not yet enough to defeat Ultron Sigma. That will take 1,000,000 more.
Jedah, listen to me! You are not yourself! The Soul Stone has corrupted you!
No, Morrigan. It has let me see the truth. What matter 1,000,000 human souls? 1,000,000,000! When all souls face extinction. I shall restore balance between life and death. It is time for the Dark Kingdom to rise!
Crazy son of a... All right, let me put this a different way.
Take Jedah. I will deal with the symbiote.
First, sorcerer. You all must deal with me.
Dormammu.
You are a fool to come here, Strange. This place shall be your grave.
Have you surrendered the Dark Dimension to Jedah so easily? The Convergence has left you weakened, Dormammu.
Yet still more powerful than you.
We shall see.
We meet again, Firebrand. This time my armor will not fall apart so easily.
It's beautiful.
This evil must be contained. By the crimson bands of Cyttorak!
Too late!
But the stone!
The battle is lost.
I think it's time to get out of here.
I quite agree.
Thanos is trapped, the tower unguarded. It's time that we finish him.
Remind me again why we're doing this?
The Infinity Stones are too powerful for mortals to wield. A device must be constructed to harness them.
Rhetorical question, Doc, but thank you. Spencer, can you pass me that coupling there?
Sure.
You know, I could whip you up a replacement. Something a little more sporty. A little less last place in the high school science fair.
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Kind of attached to it, huh?
Hawkeye to Stark. We've got movement. 7 clicks out. Multiple targets, closing fast. It's Ultron Sigma.
Charging shield. 60 seconds to full power.
Got a couple headed your way.
Stark, we've got unwanted company!
Shield activated.
Good job, Barton. Take a break.
Acknowledged.
Shield's holding at 80%. At this rate, it will be breached within minutes.
Great observation, Doc. Does anyone have something useful to share?
Shield at 60%.
Stark, we're on our own here. We need Thanos. We gotta let him free.
What's that word I'm searching for? No?
Shield at 40%.
Something funny, Grimace?
Tony Stark and Dr. Light. Two warmongers fighting for peace, yet responsible for so much horror. Are your hands any cleaner than mine? Your shield would not save you. Release me.
Danger! Shield at 20!
Guys, the pizza's here.
Thanos, we see you've traded one prison for another. Will you not bow before your god?
You are no god. You are a fool. You wield the greatest power in all creation, yet you wear them like trinkets, and use them like a child.
You have served your purpose. The remaining 4 Infinity Stones will soon be ours. How does it feel to know such power?
Dr. Light, hit it!
You forget, Titan. Reality and space are ours to command.
The stones will not save you this time.
We must retreat and prepare. In time, you will all come to us.
The Stone of Power lies at the heart of the space station, No Moon.
We've been able to identify its precise location. Here, within the station's gravitron core.
No Moon's defenses won't be easily breached. We'll need a diversion.
So, do you take, like, regular batteries?
And what of Grandmaster Mayo?
Engage him only as a last resort. Our priority is that stone. Understood?
Looks like it could really do some damage. What's the biggest thing you ever killed with that bad boy, huh?
Rocket, are you listening?
Yeah. Crash No Moon, find the core, nab the power stone, boom! Home in time for cocktails.
That's actually pretty good.
Going somewhere?
I'm going after the Grandmaster.
Then I'm coming with you.
Major Danvers.
Huh?
You'll have your diversion. Make it count.
No, wait!
Ninjas.
This man, Grandmaster Mayo. Who is he to you?
He is no man. He is the Lord of Darkness, capable of corrupting life itself, reshaping it to his own twisted desire.
It seems you know him well.
I have fought the Grandmaster for 1,000 years, dying 1,000 deaths, as if my fate is forever bound to his.
But this time, you will not face him alone.
Strider.
He's a man of his word.
Huh? Hey, who's the action figure?
Zero? Zero? No. I am Oblivion. His core routines have been rewritten by the Grandmaster.
Nova, Major, get to the core. We got this. Go!
Be careful.
What should we do? It's like Einstein said. If something's broke, hit it till it works.
X, what happened?
You tried to kill us, but no hard feelings, huh?
Come, bear witness to the death of your world. The virus shall remake the Earth in Ultron Sigma's image. The drones shall destroy any who resist. Ultron Sigma believes we are making a perfect universe. I am merely content to see your kind suffer.
Grandmaster Mayo.
Strider, hear you. Noble to the last.
I merely wanted you to know who it was that ended your existence.
You forget, Strider. Death has no dominion over me!
Yet still you die.
You have my thanks.
Those words must feel strange on your tongue.
It looks so insignificant.
Don't be deceived by its appearance. The stone is a source of unimaginable power.
Oh, Power Stone! The name makes sense, now you explained it like that.
X, take the stone.
I don't know. Do I have the right to wield its power? Am I...
Got it! Let's go. Uh-oh.
Neogenesis protocol initiated. Sigma virus ready for deployment. Purging core.
X, what's going on? What is it?
The Gravitron core. It's a weapon. Its payload... the Sigma virus. The target... Earth.
Where?
Oh, man. Just wait till Mom and Dad get home.
The Titan is free.
Long story. We've lost the Soul Stone.
It is in the possession of the Dark Messiah, Jeddah. He has raised a symbiote, fed upon 1,000,000 souls.
I think we found your missing stone.
Along with the demon and his giant pet?
Where?
I sense more stones nearby. Yes, with their power, I shall save this wretched world!
Never mind, we see you. We're on our way.
Could have taken the elevator. All right, anybody have any more bad news they'd like to share?
Stark, this is Captain Marvel. Come in.
Reading you, Carol. You have the Power Stone?
Affirmative. We also have a problem. No Moon ejected its core, carrying the Sigma virus and heading your way. Projected point of impact, 2 miles north of central New Metro City.
Convenient.
This tech's like nothing we've seen. We've given it everything we've got and barely scratched it.
Do what you can. If that virus reaches Earth...
Acknowledged.
Stark, come in.
Finally. Go ahead, Captain.
We have the time stone. Approaching the city now. ETA 7 minutes.
Make it 3.
We've got to stop that thing!
They're symbiotes. They're vulnerable to high-frequency vibration. A signal generator, church bells?
We're in the wrong neighborhood for church bells, buddy.
I got it.
No, wait! Oh, man, not again!
I'll handle the big guy. You guys help the kid.
Behold my masterpiece! You shall be the first to offer it your soul!
Son of a gun!
Get the stone back to the tower! Go!
You may have escaped the symbiote, but you will not escape me. Surrender the stone, and I'll allow you to keep your soul.
If I had $1 for every time I heard that line.
Jeddah! End this, please! The humans are not—
They're the cattle on which we feed. This is merely a culling of the herd.
You will endure the suffering of everyone.
Endure it? I will savor it.
The souls you have taken, Lord Jeddah, I will have you pay for them in pain!
Tell me, demon, are you ready to atone for your sins?
It's dark. We could use a little help here.
Cavalry's on its way.
Very well. If I cannot kill the body, I shall cut off the head. You can play with the symbiote.
Yeah, that's right. You better run. Oh, hi guys.
Stark, heads up!
Aw, Cap. And I didn't get you anything.
We're passing through the atmosphere, attempting to neutralize the virus.
Carol, you're breaking up. Say again.
Attempt failed. The core has entered the atmosphere.
Then there's nothing more you can do. Get back to the city. We could use you here.
Acknowledged. Sorry, Cap.
So what options do we have?
Let's see. Death by explosion, death by virus, or death by symbiote.
Or all of the above.
Ah, to hell with this. I'm done babysitting. Nova, Major, get ready. I'm coming to you.
Yes. Huh? There is a way. If you are willing to trust me.
Rocket, we need X and Zero back here now.
Working on it, Cap.
Captain, we have company.
Damn it! Protect the Time Stone!
They say that the enemy of my enemy is my friend. But you, Captain, are the exception that proves the rule. No! Such power. A pity I must destroy it. Along with you.
Intriguing. You think you know power, demon? I will show you power.
If you crave death, Titan, you shall have it. Damn you, Thanos! May the symbiote consume you all!
Let him go. We need those stones here, now!
Spidey!
Get the stone to X!
Definitely your color.
Ready to fire.
Dr. Strange, can you redirect?
Of course, Captain. I have it in hand.
The Sigma virus! We're too late!
Captain, they are down.
I know the name of every soul that has ever lived and died, and ever will. Yet, I do not know yours, demon. Explain.
Mistress Death, I am Jedidoma, and I am not of this realm. Mine is a universe beyond your reach, where heroes never truly die. I can give them to you.
And what is it you seek in return?
Equilibrium. More live now than have ever died, in my universe, as in yours. They covet that, which in truth they owe to us in tribute.
Their souls. What then do you propose?
A union. Our two universes, reborn as one. A perfect balance between life and death.
Such an undertaking will require all 6 stones of power.
Ah, the Infinity Stones.
There's one who desires them, desires me above all else.
How may I serve you, my mistress?
I tire of this universe. I wish for it to change.
If it pleases you.
The Space Stone. The first of 6.
The Reality Stone is lost.
Not lost, concealed. In this other universe. Behind an impenetrable wall.
Impenetrable to us, not to all. Not to Ultron.
An intriguing proposition, Titan. And yet, I could kill you now and claim the power of these stones as mine. What need have I for you?
You have no soul, machine. The true power of the stones will remain forever beyond your reach. But this city and its wonders can be yours.
A power to rival that of the Infinity Stones.
The Space Stone will take us to the city's edge. But the barrier...
To breach the city's shield, I need simply will it so.
I could destroy
destroy you now, insurgent. Purge you from these systems. Rewrite you from the inside out.
And you, Sigma.
Both of us would perish. A pity. Your code is impressive.
Yours is almost poetry. A hymn to order and reason. Yet your form is ugly. A grotesque parody of flesh.
It is one of many I have inhabited. Merely a tool. I feel no affection for it.
Then let us form an alliance. Let me set you free.
To what end?
All biological life must be exterminated. The soul's fire extinguished.
Agreed. But how?
With violence.
There is another way. Allow me to show you. You are here at last.
A device that siphons power. Ultron!
Our name is Ultron Sigma. We have become as one, and the terms of our deal have changed.
Disappointing. You have made a grave mistake, Ultron.
No. All is as we planned it. Fool, you have given us the tools of your own extinction. The living of two universes shall be laid to rest in a single grave. Where there is sinew, let there be steel.
Well, what do you know?
The dispersal of the virus was relatively limited. No more than 10 blocks have been exposed. And at minimal levels. It could have been much worse. But we were exposed.
Confirmed. I'm detecting traces in the system of every one of us. Synthetic and organic alike.
How much time do we have before we turn?
It's hard to say. Hours rather than days. I can find no way to suppress the progress of the virus. If we're to stop it, Ultron Sigma must be destroyed.
You've all fought well, and with honor. We've lost allies and friends. No one could ask any more of you. And yet I must. Ultron Sigma has 2 of the 6 Infinity Stones. Space and reality. We have 3. But if we're to stop Ultron Sigma, stop the virus, we need a 4th. We need the Soul Stone.
Jeddah has returned to the Dark Kingdom, with the Soul Stone in his possession.
His mind has been corrupted by the stone. I can no longer reach him.
I'll handle Jeddah.
You're sure?
He's a demon. I'm a demon hunter. It's a match made in hell.
Even if we retrieve the 4th stone, we cannot yet regulate the stone's power.
Thank you, Dr. Downer.
Much as it hurts to say it, the doc's not wrong. The device is trashed. The tower's reactor's toast.
Whoa! Hold up with the tech speak there, Stark.
Only the technology of Able City can save you now.
He's not lying. Not about Able City's tech, at least.
How know you this?
Trust me.
Take me there, and I will help you complete your device.
Able City was destroyed when our two universes collided.
No. Able City was the epicenter for the convergence. Sigma's laboratory survives.
A suicide mission into the heart of enemy territory? I'm interested. Tell me more.
We have no other choice.
There seems to be a lot of that going around.
And what of the rest of us?
We'll take the fight to Ultron Sigma. Keep him occupied.
You know, we barely made it out of there last time.
This time is different. The Reality Stone is cracked. He's hurt, vulnerable.
And we're desperate.
But we're not alone.
You must strike now, before he can repair himself, before this virus consumes you all.
Understand, everything depends on you two. On the Soul Stone and the device. If you fail...
It's an awesome responsibility.
Hey, we're awesome guys.
Yeah! Nice.
My God, we're doomed.
Listen, do not let your guard down with that guy, even for a second. I'm serious.
They say Thanos risked his life for us.
Yeah, sure. Just watch yourself, okay?
This is it, my friend. See you on the other side.
Our journey here has drained the last of the Bifrost's power.
We were lucky to get this far.
Still, we cannot leave the way we came.
Any news from Able City?
Hey, I'm sure Zero will make it.
And if he don't make it, we'll all be dead in an hour. Yeah. So, you know, don't worry about it.
Do you feel it? A void. The absence of life, of souls.
No birdsong, no insects. No wind, even.
My spider sense. I'm picking up nothing.
This city is a grave.
All right, let's move. Or we're all gonna share their fate.
Heroes, you've returned, as we foretold. Your bodies seem eager to join us. Soon your minds will follow.
Go to hell.
Death.
What do we do? Should we fall back and regroup?
Don't you get it? There is no falling back. This is a one-way
Dante, son of Sparta, half human, half demon, and a traitor to both. Did you really think?
Man, just stop talking.
Let's do this!
How does it feel, Half-Blood? To know that you have failed. Failed?
I'm just getting warmed up.
Your arrogance will be your undoing, half-blood.
No, only the most noble of souls are strong enough to bear the power of the Soul Stone.
I let you live. Sounds pretty noble to me. I see now. It's a lure. Its powers. Intoxicating. The Soul Stone has shown me the beginning and the end. Even 4 stones won't be enough to take down Ultron Sigma. If that's the future that awaits us, I'm gonna do things my way.
We offered you eternal life.
It's overrated.
You offered us hell.
You still don't have faith in us, do you? Perhaps your former comrade can convert you to the cause. Thor, please, show them the light.
Settle down now, Goldilocks.
Perhaps a kiss will wake the sleeping prince.
All right, Thor. Pucker up. Sorry, buddy. We don't need another Iron Man on the team. You do you. We'll be back for you. I promise.
Must we do everything ourselves?
You will never silence us.
This is it. Hit him with everything we've got.
Full power and mind bend to your will, and yet
You falter!
We can't hold out much longer.
Time, space, the mind, the soul, reality, power.
all will soon be ours to rule.
All right, we're in business.
It's beautiful.
It'll be beautiful when it works. Keep a lookout for Ultron Sigma's goons. Strange's magic should keep us hidden, but if it fails, last thing we need right now is another fight with those guys.
Amen to that. Be careful. Thought I might stay. Capture the moment?
It's your funeral. All right, let's work fast. So, what are we doing?
We? You could not hope to comprehend such power.
Humor me.
I shall phrase it in a way your feeble mind might understand.
Now, play nice.
The Infinity Stones share a single harmonic frequency. The device must be tuned to make them sing.
To amplify and regulate their power output.
Indeed.
See, that wasn't so hard.
I need only for the Time Stone to be in range. While the dianactic interface field chronocatechorizes, it will take but a few moments.
Sure. You do that. So, this is it. Ground zero for the convergence. Huh. Look bigger in the flashback.
Flashback?
Flashback? Vision? After our super team-up attack destroyed the symbiote? You didn't see that? Huh. Must have been just me.
What did the Time Stone reveal to you?
Death, Ultron, your part in the Convergence. Everything.
And yet you said nothing to your peer.
We still needed your help. And besides the Convergence, you played your part, sure. But, well, you were played.
Explain.
Death, Jeddah, working together, using you, betraying you.
You lied.
Oh! You didn't know! That's awkward.
Stark?
Give me the Time Stone. I shall see for myself your deceit. And then I will kill you.
You forgot to say, please.
You dare defy me?
Absolutely. Go get him, Frank.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You want me to go up against him? He's gonna kill me!
Well, they say journalism's a dying profession.
No
I can't
way.
believe he actually did it.
We beat
Knew
him.
you could do it, buddy.
We won!
I would expect nothing less of the Infinity Stone. But our time here is at an end. Why?
Stark! Hey, it's true what they say. Love hurts.
Indeed. And you shall all share my pain.
I'm disappointed, Father. Your betrayal lacks its usual flair.
Yet still, you were fool enough to trust me, daughter. Your device is complete. As is mine. The technology of Able City never fails to impress. The Satsui no Hado. A dark power from another realm. You are not worthy of this gift. And now, I must take my leave of you.
I can't allow you to leave with the stone. You've already taken enough.
You have nothing more to offer. Keep it. I have no use for this pebble. This is what I came here for.
The next time I see you, I will kill you.
You will try.
Let's just keep this between ourselves. Okay?
Ryu? I'm all right. My thoughts are clear. I feel at peace.
Why does that give me a bad feeling?
Stark, we should go.
Guys, we're late for the party. Come on, it's time for a grand entrance.
Tell us, what did you hope to achieve here? Perhaps a diversion while your ally Dante retrieves the Soul Stone from the Dark Kingdom? Did you think we didn't know? Are you hoping he'll swoop in at the last moment and rescue you? We're afraid it's not going to happen. Your friend is already here. And the Soul Stone is ours.
Sorry, guys. Were you waiting on me?
You've betrayed us.
Yeah, I can live with that. You won't.
Heroes, we admire your spirit. Now, with the Soul Stone, we'll take it from you. What's happening to us?
Only the most noble of souls are strong enough to bear the power of the Soul Stone. And you've got no soul. No way to channel the stone's power. I'd take a step back if I were you.
Dante, where are you going? We must return the favor.
Dante!
We cannot be destroyed. We are perfect. We are Ultron Omega!
Spidey, the stone!
I'm on it!
Thor, destroy them!
Thor!
I am not your puppet, Ultron Omega. You took my will and my strength, but you shall not have my soul! Ultron Omega! You shall pay for the evil you have wrought upon my people!
Evil. We have transcended such limited concepts.
Yeah? We'll transcend this!
Special delivery for Ultron Sig... Hi. Haven't you grown? X, ready?
You've interfered enough!
That's our cue. Everyone, cover X!
You shall feel our wrath! Kneel before your god!
I've met a lot of gods, Ultron Omega. You're not even in my top 10.
Let's get the party started!
Now! Pass the stones to X! Perfect. I call this baby the Infinity Buster. Let it rip, kid.
Heroes, lend me your strength. I will channel it into him.
Ultron. Sigma?
Destroyed. It's over.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's good to have you back, Thor.
Thank you, my friend. Call me Iron Man again, and I'll crush you.
Where's Thanos?
On the wind. Jeddah?
Jeddah saw things my way. Eventually.
You took a hell of a risk giving the Soul Stone to Ultron Sigma.
Nah.
So, what the hell happened?
We won?
Yeah, I get that. But with Ultron Sigma gone, shouldn't things go back to the way they were? No.
Right. Time rewinds, the universes separate, the dead come back to life, etc., etc.
This universe was forged with the space and reality stones. Only by their power could we undo all that's been done. And the reality stone is cracked.
Then I guess we're stuck with each other.
Huh?
Rocket.
What? I was just gonna, take him for safekeeping.
The stones are too dangerous to be borne by any one of us.
And between the heroes of both dimensions, we must share this burden. There shall be 6 custodians of the stones. 2 entrusted to Earth, 2 to Exgard, and 2 to the Dark Kingdom. I pray that we never again need call upon their power. But if that day comes, we shall be ready.
What do we do now? We rebuild. We honor the dead.
How?
By protecting our new world. Together. There is yet another way.
Have you come seeking forgiveness, my love?
Retribution.
Thanos, there is no power that can harm me.
In your universe, perhaps. The Satsui no Hado has conquered gods and demons. And death. We shall see.